Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the door switch shield in your GE dryer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4 inch bit, a number 1 square head bit, a flathead screwdriver, and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power to the appliance. Unthread the 5 screws on the panel. Any missing screws can be ordered through the links in the description below. Pull out and lift the panel from the backsplash. Detach the ground wire. Unthread the 2 screws that secure the backsplash. Pull the backsplash back and lift up to free it from the dryer. Note the orientation of the wires. Detach the purple, brown, and red wires from the start switch. Now detach the red wire from the signal switch. Detach the purple, yellow, and red wires from the timer. Detach the blue, yellow, brown, and bottom orange wires from the temperature switch. Detach the brown and white wires from the resistor. Unthread the 2 screws securing both of the top panel plates. Detach the solid brown wire from the purple wire. Feed the wires through the panel. Unthread the 2 screws on the top of the panel. Then unthread the 2 screws under the lip of the door threshold. Lift the top panel from the appliance. Unthread the 2 screws that secure the front panel. Pull the panel back. You can use a chain to support the panel to keep it from falling. Pull back the flap and unplug the switch. Depress the tab on the switch shield while pushing in on the switch to release it. Squeeze the sides of the shield to remove it from the panel. To install the new switch shield, compress the sides together and insert it into the panel. Insert the switch in the slot and snap it in place. Plug in the switch. Remove any panel support and push the panel forward. Then secure it with the 2 screws. Hook the back of the top panel and adjust until it's aligned. Set the panel on the appliance and feed the wires through. Rethread the 2 screws under the door threshold. As well as the 2 screws on the top of the panel. Reattach the solid brown wire to the purple wire. Slide the top plates into position and secure with the 2 screws. Reattach the white and brown wires. Reattach the blue, yellow, brown, and bottom orange wires into the temperature switch. Reattach the purple, yellow, and red wires into the timer. Reattach the red wire into the signal switch. Reattach the purple, brown, and red wires to the start switch. Set the backsplash back into the dryer slots and push forward to lock in place. Rethread the 2 screws. Reattach the ground wire to the panel. Insert the panel tabs into the slots on the dryer. Rethread the 5 screws. Plug in the dryer. And your dryer should be ready for use.